Matu henukadinina. Ashirkin yateptin halokadin griska. Amnago istimala dona. Shervega. Must yo waj. Must waj. Examples to Saluin. I waniga. I must go. Waina baha. I must go. Waina bahaino fanisa. I must go. Waina baha. We must waina do semena. We must waina do semena. You must waina come timada. You must come waina timada. You must marada halasa waina come olugudre masa hanogonesa. You must come waina timada. They must waina build design the house guriga. They must build the house waina design guriga. She must cook the breakfast. Edu ene krisa for all that. She must cook the breakfast. Edu ene krisa for all that. He must learn Wairuberta English Griska. He must learn Segwairuberta English Griska. Omar must come. Omar wainu yimada. Omar must come. Omar wainu yimada. Ali must walk. Ali wainu walk shafaya. Ali must walk. Ali wainu shafaya. Aisha must keep the children. Aisha waina ilalisa arulta. Aisha must. Aisha waina keep ilalisa the children arulta. Aisha must keep the children. Aisha waina ilalisa arulta. Layla must cook lunch. Layla waina krisa kalda. Layla must cook. Layla waina krisa lunch kalda. Abdi must bathe the payments. Abdueno bhaya misharka. Abdi must pay the payment. Abdueno bhaya misharka. Abdi must pay the payment. Abdueno bhaya misharka. I must go. Waina baha. We must do. Waina samena. You must come. Waina timada. They must build the house. Waina design guriga. She must cook the breakfast. Edu ene krisa prada. He must learn English. Sego enu berta English. Omar must come. Omar enu imada. Ali must work. Ali wa enu shakaya. Aisha must keep the children. Aisha wa ine ilalisa arulta. Layla must cook the lunch. Layla wa ine karisa kalala. Abdi must pay the payment. Abdu enu bhaya misharka.